Hello guys, I want to welcome you back to the video series for Polaris 3G. Again, my name is Todd Wilson. I'm with Mecklenburg County GIS, and this video is on map navigation. If you've already been using Polaris, you kind of know that there's some different capabilities of zooming around on the map. A lot of it you can you can do single clicks to zoom in and zoom out, and you can do zoom boxes, those kind of things. Some of that has changed. There are different tools on the map that allows you to do different methods of zooming. So I'm going to try to highlight all of those so you'll have a good understanding of what you can do in regards to map navigation. So let's go ahead and get started. Here at the top left hand corner you see a scroller bar. This is a zoom navigation bar. So basically what I want to do is, if I want to zoom in and out on this map, I can use this navigation bar. It's got an up arrow and a down arrow. So let's say I wanted to get in tighter and zoom in. I can either click up on the up arrow, and you can see my map is zooming in. And let's say I want to zoom back out. I just go down here to the down arrow and click on it, and I can zoom back out. If I really want to get custom, I can actually take my mouse and drag it over this button and move the scroller up and down and zoom in and out at will. So you've got that capability right there. Let's say you want to be able to move the map around. Let's say Woodstone Drive, you want to put it up in the upper right hand corner of the map display screen. Basically what you do is you just take the left mouse button and you hold that thing down and you just drag them on up there. Let's say I wanted to take Woodstone Drive and put him down here close to where the scale bar is. All I got to do is hold my left mouse button down and drag him down to the corner. So you can see I can drag it all over the place just by holding that mouse button down. I can drag them from side to side, up and down, or ever what. So that's pretty much the panning piece of the map. If you're running this and you have a mouse, most mouse devices have a mouse wheel. What you can do with that mouse wheel is you can use that to zoom in and zoom out on the map. So let's say I wanted to get really tight into here at Woodstone Drive. I could take my mouse and move it forward and keep moving it forward, and it's going to allow me to zoom in. So if I wanted to zoom back out from this particular area, I can use my mouse wheel and just pull it back, and it's going to allow me to move away from it. So fine and dandy, we pretty much have all of that done. The only other thing that I haven't gone over is how to do what's called a zoom box. A lot of people that I've talked with aren't familiar with this. They have a tough time with it. They really don't know what to do. It does require a couple keys on your keyboard to do it. You cannot do this on an iPad or a smartphone. You can pretty much do it on a computer that has a mouse device attached to it. So a laptop with a mouse or a desktop with a mouse, you can do this kind of task. So I'm going to show you an example on how to do this. So let's say, for instance, I want to zoom in to this intersection of 85 and North Graham Street right here. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to picture frame the area that I want to zoom into. And I always start at the top left corner. So what you want to do is you want to get that shift key and you want to hold that shift key down first. And then you want to put your mouse in the top left hand corner of the area that you want to frame out to zoom into. And the next thing you want to do is take your mouse, your left mouse button, and go ahead and press that thing down. And basically from there you want to drag it diagonally to the opposite end to create a zoom box frame around the area that you want to zoom into. And once you've got that box completed, you basically want to release both buttons at the same time, and you'll zoom right in. And you can see here just another example. And then if you want to zoom out, you can use the mouse wheel to zoom out. That kind of thing. Or you can use the navigation scroller here at the top left. So that is pretty much it for map navigation, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.